Let's quickly understand about the different screening techniques for the cervical cancer. As we can see in this picture, this is the uterus, this is the vaginal wall, here is the cervix, and here you can see the cancerous tissue. So what are the screening methods that can be used? Like, it should be very low cost, it should be easily available. So the gold standard is the pap smear. As we know about this already, this is also called as the Pap-Nicolau test. Then there are other two screening methods like VIA, visual inspection with acetic acid, and visual inspection with the Lugol's iodine. So let's understand what is difference in these three different techniques of screening, or what is there in this. Okay, so as you can see here, pap smear is also called as Pap-Nicolau test. What is the principle of this test? The principle is that it detects the abnormal cervical cells using the cytology. So in this case, what are we doing is we are trying to get some cells from the cervix. As you can see here, if this is the cervix, or you take this one, this is the cervix. So from here we will take certain amount of cells and we will try to study that. That is why it is called as cytology. What is the procedure? So a device or a instrument is used here. This is called as the speculum. More precisely, it is called as the Cusco's speculum. So a speculum is inserted inside the vagina, and there is a hole inside this. From here, a brush or a spatula, also called as the Ayer's spatula, is sent inside, and until here, that spatula will be rotated for around like one full rotation or 360 degree. That will collect the cervical epithelial cells. And where are these cells collected from? From the transition epithelium or the transition zone. So the cells are taken from them, and the cells are fixed on a slide and examined under a microscope for any dysplasia or atypia or any malignant cells. Okay, now if I tell you more about the transmission zone, look at this picture. So this is the cervix, and if you zoom in here, you can see that these cells are the columnar cells and these cells are the epithelial normal squamous cells. So these are the transition cells. Okay, this is called as the squamo-columnar junction. Alright, so from here the cells are taken and studied. Okay, then